Hello guys, welcome to a new tutorial. About this tutorial we're gonna talk about symmetry in general. So we're gonna also talk about mask and how to extrude mask to be like mesh. So let's get started. So first of all we're gonna add the sphere for our example here. You can press shift, see? Part number 1 G. Let's move this up by 1 and we can make the original in the original of grid. So we're gonna press. So if this doesn't work for you, you can change it here. So if you go to set origin and we have origin to 3D cursor, just click right and change shortcut. You can choose whatever you want. So anyway, let's make this subdivision. So firstly we're gonna make subdivision by 2. I think this will be enough, but before we apply this we should choose mode. Let's create something. Let's move this in the Z axis. Yeah, something like this will be good. Let's move this a little bit up in the Z axis as well. That's good. Let's make the same thing. Now let's go to sculpt, but before we go to sculpt we should apply our subdivision just for resolution. So we go to sculpt, let's extend this, we choose mask. When here I use the tablet for drawing, press F to small the brush size. So as you can see, let's edit string first. If you want more resolution, you just go to object mode, subdivision. You can make it maybe, that one is good. I don't have that super good PC, but I think this one is good. Maybe for me, you can make it for you. So the symmetry, as we can see, it is like X, Y, Z. So I press like I said. As you can see, there is one point up and one point down. So for us, we want it to be let's make this like 8, something like this. That's what we want. So we're gonna draw something over here. Just size first. In this case you should be a little bit good in drawing, or you can just have like a good idea of what you're gonna draw. I want it to be big in the edge but small in the middle, something like this. So I press Ctrl to erase the mask. And release the control to edit the mask. So as you can see, it's 8, so it could be like something like X or something. So I added the box mask. And I want to add a little bit also in down. Let's good, I think. Just do this a little bit here. So if you want to reverse the mask, you can just press Ctrl A and it's reverse, and you can make the same thing again. So maybe you can just draw this and then reverse it. Maybe you can think outside of the box somehow. So how are we gonna extrude our mask? As you can see here, we have like a sphere, but we want this mask to be separate mesh, and we want to have this eggs a separate mesh. So firstly we're gonna go to mask, and we have this mask extract. Press this. I think it is good. After we pressing this, it gives us this mesh. As you can see, so the resolution of this mesh, it's just depend of resolution of your sphere or your original mesh. So for me, that's good. So we're gonna change this material. Yeah, I think yellow is kind of nice. We'll edit the material for sphere as well. That's good. So as you can see, we extrude our mask to be like mesh and separate mesh. So that's it. Thanks.